Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can speed up video footage in the Vinci Resolve 16, and it's really pretty easy. So all you have to do is just be in edit mode, right click, change clip speed 200%, and now like stretch to fit. When you press change, it will edit it. But another thing I want to show you, really important, is when you're going to change clip speed, like that, change, that's what you need to do. You need to replay sequence, because if you're not going to replay sequence, it will duplicate the footage. If you're going to go, for example, for 200% and you don't press replay sequence, it will duplicate it because you didn't click the replay. So now you need to just do that. So again, when I go from the beginning, change clip speed, when I'm just going to press 200%, see, it duplicated the whole footage. But now, change clip speed, 200%, change, it cut it part of the video. So this is how you can speed up the video footage in the Vinci Resolve 16. Thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.